So a couple of, a few physics of principles that I would like to highlight in this project are the conservation of momentum, the conservation of energy, and Newton's second law. So for the conservation of momentum, there are a couple of things that I believe are demonstrated. So one, when the Keurig is dispensing the water, each time the balls are moving up, but when the water is stopped, they are at a standstill force. Now there are two forces working with each other to display the conservation of momentum. There are the buoyancy forces along with the gravitational force because of the mass of the ball. So the gravitational forces are working with the buoyancy forces to make the conservation of momentum. Now also something else, when this ball rolls down this tape measure and hits this container, the reason why the ball doesn't go through the floor, the reason why the ball is stopped, is because it doesn't have enough mass to go through the floor. So there is conservation of momentum there. It is stopped. That mass is stopped. So according to the conservation of energy, so once one of these dominoes is knocked over, the rest of them still go. Also, I would like to note, according to the conservation of energy, that some of that energy is lost as sound. Listen. When those dominoes fall, not all of the energy is transferred through the motion. There is some energy lost as sound, and well, I can't really say lost. It's transferred as sound. So there is a conservation of energy there. And for Newton's second law, when this ball starts rolling, I'm not gonna roll it because I don't have a pillow on my computer to protect it. So when this ball starts rolling, it is accelerating due to forces that are uneven. So once a domino hits it, then there are uneven forces. So it rolls over this tape due to gravity acting on it. There's also the normal force of this tape measure. Oops, there goes the ball. There's the normal force of this tape measure pushing up on the ball. And then so the ball is still accelerating due to an imbalance in forces. And then it falls off and it accelerates at a greater rate and hits this container, which then presses down on the touchpad to take a picture. So there's an imbalance of forces, and because of that imbalance of forces, it allows the ball is allowed to fall on this container and then take a picture, take a selfie. So there's the conservation of momentum, the conservation of energy, and Newton's second law displayed all in one.